What is going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to pair your HomeLink with your garage door opener on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now this is a 2021 WK2 Jeep Grand Cherokee, but it's pretty much the exact same steps for any vehicle that's got a HomeLink, or at least any Stellantis vehicle that's got a HomeLink. If it looks like this is probably how you're going to program it. So just to demonstrate real quick, as you'll see, I hold it down, garage door closes. So it works right now. I'm going to clear it out and show you how to start from scratch. You're going to tap the ignition button once, or if you have a key, you'll turn the ignition one click just to power everything up. And then I like to hold both of the outer buttons. You'll see the red HomeLink light come on, and then after a few seconds, it'll hyper flash. That means all the previous codes have been cleared out. There we go. Now you can release. I recommend doing that on any used vehicle you're getting, because there might already be presets saved that the previous owner forgot to clear out. And if that's the case, you won't be able to program a new garage to the same button if there's already something programmed to it. So that's why you got to clear it out. Even when I bought this Jeep brand new, I still cleared it out just in case. So now you'll notice that if I push the button, garage door no longer opens, and this thing just kind of does a slow blank. So that proves everything is cleared out. Now, to get started programming, you're going to need a garage opener that does open your door already. As you can see, this is not the opener that came with our door. We got this for like 20 or 30 bucks at Menards, and I've already programmed this remote to the garage door. So you just need some sort of remote already programmed to your garage door. What you're going to do is, once you've cleared out this, you're going to hold the button that's programmed. So let's say I want to open that door. That's programmed to this button. And since there's two garages, I like to have the right button paired to the right garage door. So what I'm going to do is, we need to start by pairing this to your remote. So I want to program this button for that door. This is the button that opens that door. So what I'm going to do is hold down this button and this button at the same time. And just keep holding. See it hyper flash there, that red button, or that red light? That means it's programmed. So now this button is paired with the same code as this button. I'm going to repeat the same steps for this left door. I'm going to hold the left button and this left button. Now you'll notice the door opened while I'm holding this. It doesn't matter though. We're just focusing on getting these to pair. As you see, red HomeLink light flashing rapidly. That means it was a successful pair. So now both of these are programmed to match both of these. We're done with this now. Now the next step is pairing the Jeep with your garage opener motor itself. You're gonna have to figure out, it's gonna be different for every garage opener. This is a LiftMaster. You need to locate the learn button. On this one, you just kind of do that to pop it down, and the lens comes down. Some of them will have little buttons or tabs on the side. You got to push this one and this one at the same time to open it. That's going to vary depending on the motor. What you need to focus on is right here. This is the learn button, and each motor, again, may have different setting procedures. So this one's kind of a poor example. It doesn't actually have any instructions that I see to pair, but I've done it before, so I know how to do it. On mine, you only push it one time. Other motors, you might have to push it again. See, it starts flashing. Or you might have to push it a third time. Mine goes into like Bluetooth mode the third time. But on this particular LiftMaster, you only hit the button once. So it should be solid yellow. And you'll have about 30 seconds to get to the Jeep and hold down the button you want to program to that motor. See the garage door lights flash, or the garage motor lights flash? That means the pair was successful. Boom! Don't forget to snap your light cover back into place. Now I'll come over to the other motor I got to program. Happens to be a LiftMaster also. Opens the same way, and again, we're just going to push the learn button one time. And that'll give me about 30 seconds to get to the Jeep and hold the button down. Hiya! And there you have it. Now, I do want to say a few things quick before I wrap up here. First is, you can't open both doors at the exact same time. If you hold both of these down, it will not open both doors. In fact, if you hold it long enough, it'll just clear it out again. Anytime you hold both outer ones for long enough at the same time, it's going to clear it out. So don't try to do that. You can do one and then the other one very quickly afterwards, just not at the exact same time. Another thing I want to say is, again, if you're getting frustrated and this isn't working, you need to pair the opener to this first. There might be some older HomeLink versions where you would just go and push the learn button on the motor and then come and hold the button you want to program it to. But on these newer ones, you need to program this to the Jeep, then the Jeep to the motor. So you need to have some sort of opener that already works with your doors. Once you get that sorted out, again, don't get frustrated. It may take you a couple attempts with the learning procedure on the motor. They're all different. Again, some of them might need to be pushed more than one time. Some of them might only give you a 15-second learn window. Some of them, once it learns, you might have to go back and push the learn button to get it out of learn mode before the button will work. So you really need to do your research on the garage door motor if you're having trouble like that. But if you're doing everything right, it should work just as demonstrated. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, subscribe for more videos like this, and check out my other videos here on YouTube. Also, check me out on all my socials. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.